Who is a real traitor? One who comes face to face is an enemy, but the one who stabs from behind is known as the traitor. In that ways, China for sure is a traitor for India. So many people will have a doubt, why are we talking about America and China? Let's take the Indian nation. I will cut away its right hand. That is, we will conquer the right side landscape of India. If someone says these words, will it heat the conversation? These videos are the exposure of the so-called anger. Is India the only nation affected by China? Many countries named 9 dash lines. Malaysia is not a part of this content, but we will have the next content or video only for them. Then, who owns this video's content? Wait for a few minutes, view this content completely. For sure, there are many wow factors included. Lovable hearts, welcome to the video.
தமிழ் பொக்கிஷத்தின் வணக்கங்கள்.
Brother, the topics which you discuss are many interesting. Please try out in English or Hindi. There is a complaint, brother. Even the Tamil which I am talking and the pronunciation, there is a Malayalam mixer to it. We were in a thought that it will not be suitable for us to do the content in English or Hindi. Some friends helped us with English translations. So there are chances an English Pokisham can sprout out. People who message me in Instagram asking for the English version, they will be definitely inboxed with the English version. My Instagram ID is mentioned below. Please follow me on Insta. Message me and get the English link out there. Before we go into the content, let's have a small index on the important happenings of today. India and China have asked their armies to withdraw from their current position back to almost 2.5 kilometers from certain points in the border. For example, PP points 14, 15. So when these two countries which are coming back 2.5 kilometers, it becomes clear that these two countries have already crossed their borders into the enemy's land and coming back from there. Right. This week, there is another conversation that India and China had a conversation on 6th June that may be the reason for the current withdrawal or the current situation. What is the next news? Philippines have decided to buy BrahMos missile from India. Third one, Philippines plans to build more on the South China Sea land. Fourth one, China says we are ready to promote China-Philippines ties to new levels. COVID-19 cases in that are increasing day by day. You Brutus, you are the only reason behind that. All of us have the same in our mind, but we are not able to expose. 4 newses on the same day. These 4 topics, we are going to connect the dots. So the first topic, so we are thinking that some new peace establishment have been there between India and China, which is a reason for the withdrawal of the troops from the current locations. It's wrong. There are conversations going on, but China is always a crooked as usual. They will definitely have another plans to establish. So that news cannot be discussed in detail now. Let's keep it apart, but it will be needed in the near future. Next, the balance 3 news topics have to be connected with their dots. We have seen about the country Philippines. It's been in the 7th place of the countries having the highest number of islands in the geographical area. Australia has almost around 8,000 islands and Philippines has almost around 7,000 islands with them. We have already seen this in our digital library. Now what is that we have to discuss in this? Philippines has informed that they have planned to buy BrahMos missile from India. It is a good news. This will create a burning sensation for China and a positivity for India. What makes China worried about India selling BrahMos to Philippines? This is where the 9 dash lines should be known and understood. Map, which is derived almost around 1947. China takes that map and draws a line into it. Let's see, these red lines are mentioned to be the borders of China. Nobody says this, not the United Nations, not the other countries, but the China says these are the borders of China. According to United Nations, in 1982, we had UNCLOS, which we had already seen. If there are people who have not seen, please go through the videos and come back. An area which is 200 sea miles away from the landscape of a nation or a country is mentioned as the exclusive economic zone. In that scenario, these areas which are 200 miles away from China should be the border of China inside the sea, isn't it? But do you know what China will do? For example, you make a boundary 2 kilometers away from your home with a flag and stating that this is your lawn where you can play daily. You know what will happen? There are chances you may be beaten because the owner of the property will never allow you to do that. But you know what China will say? An area which is 1500 kilometers away from their landscape is being stated as their land because it was once upon a time under their control. According to China, the so called land comes under their border, which lies in the South China Sea. Almost 80% of the sea waters of the South China Sea is being claimed by China as their area or land. How can the world nations keep quiet for this issue? A place which is 2 kilometers away from your place cannot be claimed yours because it is some other's property. In that scenario, 80% of the countries in that area hate China's claim on the waters of South China Sea. These countries are Philippines, Indonesia, Malaysia, and other countries come under the scene. Meanwhile, yesterday we have seen a topic that China is going to help Myanmar. How? China say, Myanmar, invest almost 7 million. We will build a port for you. Use the deep sea port. Do you know what Myanmar did? Myanmar have denied, debated it and brought down it to 1 billion. So when we went deep into the topic, we understood this 1 billion agreement is not signed easily. They have another mention of 50 years of lease for the port or the land. Who will handle the port for the next 50 years? Yes, China. And it is another information that they have an idea for the agreement to be extended from a span of 50 to 75 years. What is this? Myanmar should give an amount to China. China can use the port and get profited for the next 75 years. He can hire people to work in that port, especially Chinese. Then we have some other projects in which the Chinese companies are going to sign and start their work in Myanmar. There are possibilities that China will one fine day say Myanmar is mine. The same thing which happened in Sri Lanka. A port named Hambantota. The same way, China signs an agreement with Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is not able to pay the money which they agreed to pay China. What did they do? They have given the port to China. The port? No. Thousands of land around the port too. For the next 100 years. For the next 3 generations. Nobody can go there and check whether it is Sinhalese or Tamil. It is not yours, it's Chinese. Like the same way, Myanmar is going to be in the same position meanwhile. Why are we looking into Philippines in between these many problems? In South China Sea, the country which is an enemy to China is Philippines. We have seen 9 lines. When we look at it again, the areas where Philippines has these islands which is marked in black, you can see the red line crossing the black line. This is the reason why China and Philippines are enemies. So what does the Philippines say? In the coming days, with an investment of 23 to 25 million, I am going to build my infra on my army in these islands. This is the news from Philippines today. What are the needs for doing this? Manpower, army, armor. Who will sell him armor? India will. If China has to overcome all these issues, he will have to move this psychologically. So today, we have another voice stating that we are ready to promote China-Philippines allies to next level from China. Hey, don't go with India. BrahMos is not at all needed. Our allies will be a peaceful one to this world. This is how China handles Philippines now. So, when Philippines is there, we need to see about Indonesia too. I told you, 1500 kilometers away from China, near the so-claimed area of China is an island called Natuna. China claims even this island is mine. How? Obviously, it was once upon a time mine, so it is mine. America tries to defend this because if China grows to a next level, it is a problem to America. Both these countries are traitors, but we need to look into the race between them very keenly. What does America do? FONOPS. What does it mean? Freedom of Navigation Operation. What is that? We have already discussed that the space in the sea waters, which is almost around 200 kilometers from the country, belongs to the country, and anything beyond that is public for everyone, and any nation can go there if there is no nations nearby and do their military operations and stuffs. So what did America do? In the South China Sea, when these kind of problems came in, America sent its carriers with these FONOPS to the spot. Like the same scene last month, American Navy and Australian Navy entered the South China Sea. Due to some moves from China, Australia withdrew its troops and America told we will never come again to that area. All these are history. We need to know this. According to a data from 2019, how many FONOPS operations has America did? It is more than 8. And in 2020, it is almost 4 and more. They will send the Navy to look into other nations' improvement and infra. Period of Obama, in a span of almost 8 years, this FONOPS was conducted only 4 times. So before 3 years and 8 years before, the China only had its lead for 4 times there in the South China Sea, but now it is high. For countering this and defend, in the last 2 years, America had done the FONOPS for almost 12 times. When we see this, Chinese pressure or the lead is high in that area. We have seen about Natuna. China says, if you people admit or not, Natuna is mine. And adding to that, asking a question to the world, as who has the right to raise your voice against this? And for defending this, many countries got alliances. An important one is Malaysia. There were possibilities of a problem between China and Malaysia, but now even that issue can be sorted out by China. What will they say? Malacca Dilemma. We know the Strait of Malacca. Many problems are to be erased between China and Malaysia with this Strait of Malacca. For this reason, many projects of China is being denied by Malaysia. We will see this in detail. All these are history. Is this series more interesting than the Mossad? No. But those people who wants to know about Indian stand, the Chinese operations and the world, this episode will be so useful and bright for you. Share your views on the videos. And as I told you, the English version of all these videos will be inboxed to your Instagram. Please give a request in my Instagram ID which is been mentioned below. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, share and comment. Thank you.